What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how we did the Raptor Liner on this truck topper. It was super easy to do, it makes it look way better, and also this stuff is very durable.
Alright, so right now this thing is just Plasti Dip, so the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and get all of the Plasti Dip removed, as you can see. So we'll see how that stuff comes off. Alright, so we got most of the Plasti Dip off. There's a couple areas where we got to finish up, so we're going to go ahead and get those cleaned up, and then we're going to start sanding it so that it will be ready for the Raptor Liner. And then there's a few spots here and there that we got to do some Bondo, mainly these edges right here. So we're going to go ahead, hit those with the Bondo, and start getting this thing prepped. Alright, so we got everything masked off. We got our Bondo all nice and sanded, ready to go. And then we went ahead and went over everything with some paint thinner to get all the dust and everything cleaned up. And now we're gonna go ahead and spray our first coat of the Raptor Liner. So just follow the directions for mixing this stuff up. And then make sure that you set your gun to the right PSI. And we'll go ahead and get our first coat sprayed.
After you're done spraying your first coat, you're going to want to let it dry for an hour before spraying your second coat. Alright, and that is what it looks like all finished up. I can go ahead and leave a link in the description for the Raptor Liner kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your project. Also, if you have any other video recommendations, I'd love to hear them down below.